What's good, everyone? It's Danielle Jeffers, founder of Dough for Degrees LLC. You know, Dough for Degrees is a scholarship coaching company where we teach students how to earn scholarships to go to college and graduate debt-free. This weekend, I had a great friend of mine, Corey Hackett-Greene, come in, co-founder of In My Bag Tour, and we worked on getting him ready for 2020. Corey, what happened?
Well, first and foremost, my name is Corey Hackett-Greene, founder of CLH Consulting LLC, where I help you discover your purpose and walk in it every single day. So this weekend was full of hard work. We worked on building our intentions and also making sure that we implement that within our schedules and breaking it down within a 12-month period, 8-month period, the quarters, months, weeks, and every single day that I'm going to be applying myself to all the different things that I want to accomplish this year. And I look forward to extending the same thing to my clients very soon. So make sure you stay clocked in and locked in for what I got coming for you.
Y'all know, if you have friends, if you have people who want to be successful, join forces and get there together. Unity is beautiful, and because we have each other's backs, we can call each other out when we're slacking and also help each other help push the other person to the next level.
Absolutely, and that's major. Like she suggested, just surrounding yourself with like-minded people and definitely making sure that you take care of that before this year is over, because that is very important in regards to your success moving forward. So if you have good people around you, you're going to do good things. So make sure you're surrounding yourself with like-minded people and also making sure that you're tending to your mindset and surrounding yourself with good energy, because like energy attacks like energy. So take advantage.
Corey, where can they find you?
They can find me on Instagram at Dwayne Wave, DWYANE_Wave, WAVE, on Instagram and both Twitter. My website will be popping up very soon. That's going to be CLHGreene, GREENE.com. And you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you search Corey Hackett-Greene, you will see that I'm practicing my verbal affirmations, affirming every single thing that's going to happen into my life. So make sure you check those things out.
Don't you have a podcast too?
Oh, of course. The Hide in the Book podcast, powered by, I got it. No more interviews. You see the logo. So make sure you check that out as well. Shout out to Kevin Stephenson. We have episodes coming for you every single week. And this month, we have all awesome movers and shakers from the ladies' side, just sharing all their different entrepreneurial journeys. So make sure you tune into that as well.
Kev, we miss you. We love y'all. Y'all stay tuned, stay locked in and clocked in. That's what you say, right?
Absolutely.
We'll see y'all next time.
Let's get it.